All right, folks. What we got here are 3 mahi pieces of fish. We got some panko breadcrumbs and various spices. We have minced onion, minced garlic, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, salt, pepper in here. We're gonna make some breaded fish for our meal tonight. And we're going to spread this out. We're gonna cut open our fillets. Pieces of fish. And then we are going to take one of the pieces of fish, put it in our breadcrumbs, put it on a dry plate here, and then we're gonna cook it. It's gonna get nice and covered. Get the ends covered. Doesn't seem to be sticking. I don't know, maybe there's a better way to do that. Maybe it was too wet. But as far as I'm concerned, there's something on there. We're cooking on fire, cooking on a cast iron skillet. We'll just see how this turns out. On this next piece, I'm gonna try and dry it off a little bit here, just with some paper towel in my hands. See if that helps it stick a little bit more. Normally I cut this fish up into chunks and do it that way. So I have like little fish bites, so we're just trying this to see how well this works. Maybe we'll go another round once this, I can see some of that chili. Seems like just the chili pepper and cayenne pepper sticking to it. Oh yeah. All right. Doesn't really seem to be sticking, but whatever. There's something on there. Maybe. Yeah, maybe olive oil. I don't know. Try and jump in there. You were worried about that puddle of water there earlier. You're gonna like this puddle of breadcrumbs everywhere. We need to hose the table down. You know what? We're out of room. Plate. Got 2 plates. Put the breadcrumbs on there. Let them sit a minute. And we also have some chopped broccoli florets in this bag, hobo pack style, chopped, wrapped in 2 layers of foil with some olive oil, salt and pepper, spices, and a little bit of love called butter. Alright, we heated up our pan a little bit. Here we go. First time cooking fish on the skillet. Let's see how it goes. It's not very hot. Hopefully I can fit all 3. The Holy Triumvirate. Et voila.